Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 7 and let me show you how to change phone ringtone. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here locate phone ringtone. Now just choose the one that you want to apply. Okay, I've got my phone muted, I guess, so let's just volume it up so you can hear the tunes. Still nothing, just give me a sec here. I'll go okay, so now it should work. Let's go back to phone ringtone. So just choose the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and it would be applied. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.